From California State University San Bernardino, it's Local Matters.
Non-dairy treats and visiting nurses. Hello, I'm Aaron Garcia and welcome to Local Matters, featuring stories from across the Inland Empire.
And I'm Dustin Alexander. Baked goods aren't only reserved for those who consume milk. Non-dairy treats are popping up as dietary needs are changing. Reporter Andrew Carrillo grabs a bite at a local bakery to discover more.
Sweet lovers will have a peace of mind knowing that this local bakery has a new spin on vegan treats.
Obviously not utilizing eggs or dairy in any of the items. What encouraged me to fulfill a vegan bakery was just the idea behind feeding the world, because you can't feed the world on how we have it now, and we really want to bring a new approach to helping Mother Nature and not starving it. I would describe the atmosphere as homey, and you can bring your kids here, your grandma here. You can come here by yourself and have a pastry or a cupcake and a nice cup of coffee. The old owner, he was a master baker, and he really utilized all the ingredients to his advantage to give people products that tasted good and you couldn't tell the difference with. So he really had that passion that we want to continue and to let people know that it is all delicious. I love serving vegan options. I just think it's fantastic.
Baking vegan, I've never done it before, and it's been a real challenge, but after working with the original baker, I've been able to master most of the recipes. No one else out there is doing what we do here. It's amazing. Our products, I haven't seen anybody match them yet. Considering that our majority of our menu is vegan, we still are very busy. People love our products.
If you love baked goods, vegan or non-vegan, you can find healthy options or quality taste. For Local Matters, I'm Andrew Carrillo.
Some patients may struggle to or simply can't take themselves to visit healthcare professionals. Reporter Jarrod Walley learns more on how visiting nurses help get those patients the care they need.
Making a traditional visit to the doctors can be a hassle for those with limited mobility and for the elderly. Visiting nurses aims to alleviate that painstaking process.
I've been a registered nurse for 33 years. Most of the job is involved with taking care of the patient, but after the visit we have to finish up our charting. We try to do some of the charting in the home while we're there with the patient so we can ask the appropriate questions, but there's always a lot of follow-up charting that's involved at home. The agency that I work at right now, I get paid for my time to drive from one patient to the next. We work in a 30-mile radius, so it covers Redlands, Yucaipa, Calimesa. We go as far east as Cabazon. I may have anywhere between 5 and 6 patients a day. It might consist of a couple of revisits. You're doing vital signs, you're doing wound care. A lot of patients have wounds on their legs, and they involve wrapping them to decompress the edema. Some of my patients I'm very fond of. I have developed a relationship. They consider you part of their family.
I've been receiving home care for approximately 3 years. I will continue to use the visiting nurse services as long as I need anything like that done. They are like a good friend taking care of you.
With health and wellness being paramount in our daily lives, it's nice to know that visiting nurses bring care across the Inland Empire to homebound patients. For Local Matters, I'm Jarrod Walley.
To keep updated on what Local Matters is doing, follow our social media.
To watch some of our other stories, head over to our YouTube channel at Local Matters CSUSB. I'm Dustin Alexander.
And I'm Aaron Garcia. Join us next time for more local stories that matter.